Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will quickly and easily show you how you can update your Gigabyte motherboard BIOS. So this is extremely simple. You just need to, of course, navigate to the corresponding page on the internet, on the official websites of Gigabyte. So for example, this one, right? So you just navigate to the BIOS tab and you grab the BIOS that you want to download. For example, this one, latest F20D. So you download it. After that, you need to not flash it. You need to basically copy this file that you will download, unzip it onto your flash drive. And after that, you just insert the flash drive into your USB port in your PC. And it's easy. Let me just grab my phone and I will record a video for you and we'll show you how this is done. Just let me restart my PC and I will show you guys. Give me a second. Okay guys, so here we go. So when your PC is only starting up, make sure to choose to press the delete. Depending on what kind of motherboard you have, you'll need to press different buttons. So as you can see, I'm pressing delete. And in here, everything is extremely simple, guys. You just need to go to the QFlash right here in the bottom. As you can see, QFlash. And in here, you need to press on update your BIOS, and you will already have your flash card inserted. It will appear here, and you just click a few buttons in here, like 2 buttons, press update, and then your BIOS will be updated. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps you. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.